What's going on, guys? Eric here from my brain, and today I'm going to be unboxing the Travis Scott Fortnite merch that has finally
one eternity later,
gotten to my doorstep after like literally I don't even want to expose Cactus Jack himself, but probably like 3 to 4 months. So without further ado, let's open this because I don't even remember what this stuff even looks like. So let's open it up. So let's start with the first one, which is the Sicko Event t-shirt, which honestly doesn't look anything like that. From the front of it, it looks like the PlayStation logo, and it says Cactus Jack on it. So yeah, let's open this bad boy. Don't judge me, but like Travis Scott shit always smells like just straight vinegar whenever you get it. I don't know why.
Hey yo, what the fuck? But I don't know if it's the shit they're washing it with or whatever, but
damn, the back is pretty fire, man. Holy shit. All right, so the front obviously says, it's like really weird. It's like the PlayStation logo. If you guys remember PlayStation, I think 1, if I'm not mistaken. I'm gonna get super exposed if I don't remember that because I grew up playing PlayStation. But it's the PlayStation logo, and then yeah, on the back is the crazy ass image or decal or print. This is crazy. Astroworld, Stargazing, Travis Scott.
this is crazy, man.
This is from, yeah, like I said, the Fortnite Travis Scott concert they did. I think it was like 3 days. The concert was going on. It was like a Friday, Saturday, Sunday. I don't remember. That was the first time I booted on Fortnite in like the longest time in forever. So this is pretty dope. Was it worth the 4 months? Honestly, I don't really know, and I don't care.
Don't care, don't care, don't care, still don't care. I don't care. What did you say? I don't care.
So, yeah, there is the first one. Let's go to the next one. All right, now on to the second one, which is this one I was actually pretty excited for. I do remember this one distinctively because it was the tie-dye t-shirt, but the World tie-dye t-shirt. All right, let's check out, I'll let you guys see the front first. I haven't even seen the front. The back is pretty cool. The front, okay, wow. Yeah, so I thought this was the back. I thought that the big world on it was the big Earth. It was on the back.
Why the fuck you lying? Why you always lying?
This is pretty wild for like a front like print. I don't know, man. That's pretty loud. And then obviously, like I was talking about before, the PlayStation logo. And then onto the back, I saw this before. I saw this first, but live in your world, rage in ours. That's pretty cool. I think that's pretty hard. I honestly wish that this was on. This could stay on the back, but if the front could change a little bit, that would be cool. But nonetheless, it's still really cool. Cactus Jack at the bottom. All the different assortment of logos, Fortnite, Cactus Jack, different stuff. But yeah, all in all, I would say between the two t-shirts, after looking at it, my favorite one was the Cactus Jack one, the one that was a little bit more simpler. This was super cool. Like the whole back was like obviously a little colorful and loud, but still really cool. That is my review for the 2 t-shirts that I got from the Travis Scott Fortnite collab. That was pretty cool. This shit, honestly, like I just said, took forever to get here. So I had to rate it between the 2 t-shirts, probably like an 8.5 out of 10. It was pretty cool. The prints were cool. The tie-dye was cool, but I just wish the shit on the front wasn't so big. But yeah, let me know what you guys thought. Did you guys get anything from the Travis Scott Fortnite collab? Did you go to the concert like I did? My 25-year-old ass went to a concert on Fortnite. How does that make you feel?
Hey man, that fucking silly shit, man. Don't do that shit. Instagram bullshit, man. Don't do that. I'm a grown ass man.
Yeah, drop a comment. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and yeah, I'm Eric from my brain. Peace.